in this session, I will explain how to insert and format shapes in MS Word. In Insert tab, we have option called Shapes. If you click on Shapes, it will shows different shapes available in MS Word to insert into your document. So these shapes are very useful while preparing different kinds of documents in MS Word. For example, here it is showing recently used shapes, and we have basics shapes like this. For example, I am selecting this shape, click and draw here. And if you want another shape, just again go to insert and shapes, you select some other shape, suppose like this, click and draw. So like that you can insert as many as required shapes. For example, I am going to insert one more shape, that is stars or banners. Like this. And also I can insert more shapes available here, like callouts. So these are very useful while preparing large documents. You may need this type of content in your document. If you click on any shape, it is showing Shape Format tab in addition to normal standard tabs. The Shape Format tab is having number of options to modify the shape. And if you want to type text inside any shape, just suppose by default this callout is having a place to type text directly. Suppose this is a callout. I am typing like this. And if you want text in another shapes, right click on the shape, and here we have options add text. Now you can type text on the table, just like this. Click on any shape and right click on any shape. Add text is the option to add text on any shape. Suppose like this. And you can also increase the size of the text as usual, Control Shift greater than, or otherwise you can go for Home tab and use all these options to your shape, to your text in the shape. Okay. So like that you can add text to your shape. And we have different options. For example, shape style I can change. What style you want, you can change. For example, for this I am selecting some other style, and for this some other style. In this also you can add text like this. Okay. And we have fill up options also here. You can fill up different colors, or you can even you can fill up pictures or textures available like this. Different kinds of gradients also you can fill up, and you can change the outline of the shape. For example, I can change the outline like this, and we have more lines also, and we have like this. So sketched lines we can place, okay, to alter the shape. And we have different shape effects like shadows. I can make different shadows, inner and outer sides, okay, and reflection, glow, like that we can place different soft edges also. I can apply bevel also, but see, bevel is not suited for this type. Some types of only enables you to apply. Suppose this shape is accepting the bevel, and we can use this 3D rotation. See, 3-dimensional rotation we can use to that particular shape. For example, for this I can rotate as per my requirement. Okay, not only by selecting these options, you can also rotate using this rotator. Just click and move through the area, it will rotate automatically. See, for this also you click here and you can rotate. These corners enables you to reduce or enlarge the size of the shape. And see, for this also I can rotate. In which direction you want, you can rotate. Okay. And we have quick styles of the text here. Different styles you can apply here itself. What text you have, you can apply the word art styles. And for this also you can change the colors, etc. And like this, text, for text also you can apply different kinds of options. Okay, and text direction option is there. For that, see, by default horizontal text direction is there, but if you want to apply these options better, of course this shape also enabling you change the direction, but usually you can change the direction of the text in text box. Okay, right. Here we have text direction. See, what direction you want, you can change the direction. And you can also align the text in the shape. Suppose in this shape I want to align the text. Where you want, you can align. But you enlarge the shape, then you can see the effects of the text. See, middle, top, bottom. Like that you can align the text in the shape. Okay. Next we have the alternative text to the shape. So I can prepare alternative text to the shape. So this is directing rightwards, right side. Like that I can have alternative text to the shape. And we can place the position of the shape in the page. Suppose if you want in top corner or in the middle or in the right corner, like that. Suppose I want this particular shape I want to place. Suppose we have some text here, type some text, any text, or otherwise if you have some text in another document, just copy and paste there. You can see the, suppose I am selecting this text and I will copy the text again, I will paste. So I will get more text in the document. Just to see the effects of the different suppose different options. Now see, I will place in the left topmost corner and right topmost corner where you want the position of the shape in the document, and middle of the, in the middle, and I can have more text for better understanding. So in the middle it is there. So like that I can position the object or shape, and also wrap text. Now it is in the square. Square means around the shape we can type, and tight, very tight around the shape. Thorough. Thorough means even. See, this is the option. And if you want behind, so behind also text is there, in front of text, behind the text. See the difference between these two. And you can edit wrap points also. Suppose I will move this point to there, so automatically text will be occupied that position. So like that I can change the wrap points. And we have option bring forward, send backward. See, if you have two or more shapes, one shape is behind, one shape is in forward position, and you can arrange them in backward or forward according to your requirement. Suppose I am having three shapes. I want to bring this one last shape into forward, bring forward. Bring front is one option and bring forward is one option. Like this we have, but see, I am sending this one to backward, send backward, send backward, send backward. It is not sending. Why? Because these shapes have different positions, different wrapping positions. I am setting all objects to same wrap position, like square or tight something. Okay. Now I will try to, I can select multiple shapes by control and click. control and click like that. Suppose I am selecting this one. I want to send backward, backward, yes, and back. See, this is back to all these three shapes. And if you want to bring this particular shape to forward, we have option forward. And again, suppose backward. Again, back. Back means to almost back to all shapes. Backward means one step backward or one step forward. One step forward. For example, one step forward. And again one step forward. Otherwise, bring to front means it will comes almost forward to all the shapes. That is the difference. One step or almost backward or almost forward, like that we can bring them. And we can group these shapes by selecting multiple shapes like this. For example, I want to group all these shapes into one. I am selecting this one and by control clicking this one. Now right click, right mouse button you apply. See, there is an option called group. Now I can group it. These three big pictures became into single group. Suppose if you reduce the size, all these three shapes will get reduced. This is very helpful option. By selecting, suppose I want to make these two as a group. First you select first one and you select the second one. Now right click with the mouse. First you have to select both and right click with the mouse and we have group. Now these two shapes became a single group. Now if you reduce the size, both will get reduced. And if you apply the color also, all will get applied with the same color or any other option. For example, this is a group. If you want to change any formatting styles that is applicable to all, like this I can change to color that particular shape style. And if you don't want the group means, again you right click on this particular group and go there, group and make it ungroup. That's all. Those shapes became ungrouped. Individually you can format them. Okay, like this we can format the shapes available in the document. Okay.